वंशी विभूषितकरा नवनीरदाभा पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलाधरोष्ठा पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखा अरविन्दनेत्रा कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने
Glory to Krishna Kanhaiya.
Glory!
Baba, you have reached your home.
Long live Radha Rani! His face is as beautiful as the full moon. Eyes like lotus flower.
Where had you gone, Grandpa?
Kanhai,
I have been waiting for you for so long.
if you wish to converse with me, you will have to wait. Here he comes. Kanhai, look what I got for you.
What?
No, first close your eyes. Now open your eyes.
Jaggery? Today from where did you get jaggery for Kanhai, Grandpa?
Kanhai, they are calling one more gop or gopi to Braj to play with you. So I went to Gopi Devki's house to chant Lord Hari's name. It was a ceremony to celebrate the first sanskar of life.
First sanskar?
A celebration and sanskar at every important stage in life are special feature of the Indian society. At each step of the 16 stages of a person's development, removal of a fault or remedying a fault, Garbha Dhan, which means instilling good qualities, and the process of correcting weaknesses, these form the 16 sanskars. Just as gold ore is purified in fire to obtain precious pure gold from it, in the same way, from the time consciousness appears as a form, all along its journey towards becoming formless again, it is purified through 16 sanskars to make it pure and complete. And the event of each one of these sanskars is a celebration.
And what is the first sanskar, Grandpa?
Come on, Kanhai. Must you tease Soordas even in his old age?
Please tell me, Grandpa.
All right. Listen then. The first sanskar is Garbhaadhaan sanskar. So that one more Radha or Shyam, Janki or Ram may come into the family. Devki, Vasudev or Dashrath Kaushalya pray to the gods with the purity of desire of thoughts and invoke the one who is present in everyone. And that formless, unchanging soul assumes a form in the mother's womb.
Aspiring for a progeny who would benefit the family, benefit the society, benefit the world, and installing such a sacred desire into the womb is called Garbha Dhan sanskar.
The husband and wife together perform a yajna and seek the blessings of their ancestors and gods so that they may become fit to take up the roles of parents.
Grandpa, that was the first sanskar. Now, what is the second one?
Punsvanam sanskar is the second sanskar. As soon as the soul assumes a form in the mother's womb, praying to the gods to protect that life force, that soul is called the second sanskar.
वाङ्म आसन्नसोः प्राणः अक्ष्योः चक्षुः कर्णयोः श्रोत्रं बाहुवोर्बलम् ऊरुवोरोजः अरिष्टा विश्वान्यङ्गानि तनुवामे सह नमस्ते अस्तु मामा हिगुंसीः.
Now everyone in the family, near one's neighbors, start taking extra care of the mother, because she is sustaining another life. As that life starts growing in the womb, during the 4th month of pregnancy, a third sanskar is performed for the mother's and baby's peace. It is called the Seemant sanskar.
बंदों चरण सरोज तिहारे, बंदों चरण सरोज तिहारे.
सुंदर श्याम कमल दल लोचन, सुंदर श्याम कमल दल लोचन, ललित त्रिभंगी प्राण प्यारे, ललित त्रिभंगी प्राण प्यारे, चरण सरोज तिहारे.
बंदों चरण सरोज तिहारे.
Kanhai, during the Seemant sanskar, the mother's hair is parted into 2 equal parts and is decorated with flowers. 7 mothers place rice and fruits in the pregnant woman's lap and apply vermilion on her forehead. The mother-to-be is showered with love so that she remains happy. There should not be the slightest stress in her mind, else it can have a bad effect on the baby. That is why Kanhai, efforts are made to keep the mother happy in every way, every day, so that the little Gopal growing within her would remain happy too. If the mother remains happy, the baby will stay happy too.
Joy has come to the Nanda family!
Kanhai, joy pervades the home as soon as little Gopal is born. On the 6th day after Gopal's birth, the 4th sanskar, that is Jaat Karma sanskar, takes place. The whole house is cleaned so that Gopal gets a pure atmosphere. Little Gopal's father whispers into his ear a mantra and his birth constellation. And also at the time of breastfeeding of infant Gopal, the goddess Saraswati is invoked so that Gopal may receive the nectar of knowledge. After Jaat Karma, the 5th sanskar, that is, the Naamkaran, takes place. The soul which had no name so far has to be given a name now.
नंदजू आदि ज्योतिषी तुम्हारे घर पुत्र जन्म सुनी आयो। हाँ, नंदजू आदि ज्योतिषी तुम्हारे घर पुत्र जन्म सुनी आयो। लगन सोद सब ज्योतिष गण के, लगन सोद सब ज्योतिष गण के, चाहत तुम्हें सुनायो। संवत सरस विभाजन भादो 8वें तिथि बुधवार, कृष्ण पक्ष रोहिणी अर्धनिशि जोग उदार। विष है लग्न उच्च के निस्बत नहीं बहुत सुख पई है, चौथे सिंह राशि के दिन कर जाति सकल मई रही है।
Nanda Baba, how about the name Krishna for the newborn?
Please tell that name to the child in his ear.
From now on, people of the world shall call you by the name of Krishna.
Krishna.
Glory to Krishna Kanhaiya Lal! Glory!
Grandpa, there would have been great revelry at your naming ceremony too, isn't it?
Kanhai, my ma said there was great festivity at my naming ceremony. My parents had given me my name with great love. What was my name?
Soordas.
No, Kanhai. That name has been given to me by the world. I don't even remember my name.
How can it be, Grandpa?
Ever since I remember, I have been called by the name Soordas.
Why, Grandpa?
Because I was blind from my birth. Whenever anybody called me, they addressed me as Soordas. Had anybody called me by my name, I might have remembered it too. So that's how I became Soordas. That is my name. That is my identity.
But I shall call you Grandpa only. Kanhaiya's Grandpa. Is it alright for you?
Kanhai, the one whom you call Grandpa shall be fortunate indeed.
Grandpa, what comes after Naamkaran?
After Naamkaran comes the 6th sanskar, called Nishkraman.
मानो महान्तमुतमानो अर्भकम् मान उक्षन्तमुतमान उक्षितम् मानो वधीः पितरं मोतमातरम् प्रियामानस्तनुवो रुद्ररीरिषः.
And 40 days after birth, baby Gopal is taken out of the house for the first time and he is exposed to the sun. Baby Gopal should regularly bask in the sun's rays for a while. That is the intention behind the Nishkraman sanskar. The 7th sanskar after Nishkraman is Annaprashan, that is consuming solid food for the first time. In the 6th month after birth, baby Gopal or little Radha is fed cooked food for the first time. Sugar or honey, water, milk, curds and ghee form Panchamrit. And sweet porridge of broken wheat or rice is fed to baby boy or girl for the first time. Kanhai, after Annaprashan comes the 8th sanskar called Mundan sanskar or Jaat Karma.
आज भोर तम चुर के रोज, आज भोर तम चुर के रोज, आज भोर तम चुर के रोज, गोकुल में आनंद होते हैं, गोकुल में आनंद होते हैं, मंगल धुनि महारानी रोज, आज भोर तम चुर के रोज। फूले फिरत नंद अति सुख भयो, हर्षि मंगावत फूल तमोल। फूले फिरत नंद अति सुख भयो, हर्षि मंगावत फूल तमोल। फूले फिरत जसोदा तन मन, उबटी कान अहवाई अमोल। फूले फिरत जसोदा तन मन, उबटी कान अहवाई अमोल। गोकुल में आनंद होते हैं, गोकुल में आनंद होते हैं, मंगल धुनि महारानी रोज, आज भोर तम चुर के 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 रोज।
A year after the birth of Krishna or Radha, the Mundan sanskar of baby Gopal or little Radha is performed at an auspicious time. Leaving just one tuft of hair on the head, the rest of the hair is shaved and left at a holy place. And prayers are offered to gods for the development of the child's intellect, that may he get the strength of pure thoughts. And Kanhai, following the 8th sanskar, the 9th sanskar is Karnaved, that is piercing the baby's earlobes.
कान कुंवर को कन छेदन है, हाथ सुहारी भेली गुर की।
कान कुंवर को कन छेदन है, हाथ सुहारी भेली गुर की।
विधि भी हंसत हरि, हंसत हेरी हरि, जसुमति की धुक धुकी सूर की।
विधि भी हंसत हरि, हंसत हरि,
भरिले देत सीख सो श्रवण निकट अति ही चातुर की। रोचन भरिले देत सीख सो श्रवण निकट अति ही चातुर की। कंचन के द्वे दूर मंगाई लिए, कहो कहा छेदनी आतुर की। कंचन के द्वे दूर मंगाई लिए, कहो कहा छेदनी आतुर की। लोचन भरी भरी दो माता कन छेदन देखत जिय मुर की।
लोचन